Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's begin with the question. Okay, let's not waste time now. Chalo, quickly we'll do the work. Okay. Oh, the question went up. A tile measures, see, read the first question. A tile measures 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover the floor of size 4 meter by 3 meters? So, who can tell me what we have to do? Now, today I'll be asking you all what to do. Okay?
First, we need to convert meters into centimeters.
Great. Yes, then.
Then we have to find the area of one tile and the whole floor.
Great.
And we should divide the area of floor by the area of a tile.
Oh, that's very nice. Good. And then you get your number of tiles.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's start.
And the unit will be in square centimeters.
Since it is area, so no, it's number of tiles. There will be no units. You know, it's number. Yeah, it's just a number of tiles. It's not asking for area or perimeter. Now see, first you have this 4 meter by 3 meters. And here the tile measurements are 75 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Now either you convert both to meters or you convert the meter part to centimeter, and either way. So let's do, if we convert this tiles to meters, it will come in decimal points. So we'll avoid decimals. We will convert meter to centimeters. Okay. So let's convert area of the floor. Let's do area. You also do in your notebooks. I want to see everyone's sum. You will be showing your notebooks to me, okay? So area.
Video is not working. So should I send it to you WhatsApp?
Okay. Okay, beta, you can send.
Okay.
Okay. You can send me later on, not within the class. You can send me later on.
Okay.
So area of the floor will be what? So I'll be converting 4 meter will become 400 centimeters into 3 meters will become, I'll erase this, 3 into 3 meters. 3 meters will become 300 centimeters. So the area becomes 12 and 4 zeros with this. Okay, this is centimeter square. Is it? Okay. Now area of the tile. Tell me now what is area of the tile? 75, 75 into 20 centimeter. Centimeter or centimeter square? Okay, find out. Now, how will you find the number of tiles? Area of the floor upon area of tile. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, like this. 1500. 2 zeros cancel, and the rest of the part. What answer you got? Tell me. Tell me. Find out. What answer you got?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it 80?
It's 80. 80. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I got 80 tiles.
Yes, it's coming 80 tiles. Everyone
Ma'am,
got the same
can I
answer?
go to washroom and come, ma'am?
Okay, but see, just the class has just started. You should
Okay.
be ready for the class. You should do all such things before the class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Go and come back fast. I want to see all the notebooks.
Ma'am, my notebook is not that ruled, so can I just show you this?
No, wherever you are doing, wherever
Okay.
you are doing.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Huh. Yes. Yes, good, good, good. Good, Switesh. Others? Rishit, Badri, show me the notebook.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Okay, okay. So you will be
Yes, ma'am. After the
sending.
class, like at
Okay.
7 o'clock, I'll send.
Ma'am,
No problem, Bache. This is Adrit. Good, Adrit. Nice. Okay. Hridaya has gone. Okay. Who else is there? Sitesh has shown. Adrit has shown. Rishit will show me later. Ridesh has gone to the washroom. Okay. Okay. Now let's start the next question. Okay. Now it's saying we'll make a line here so that we have half the part. Okay. Now see, read the next question. The lawn is in front. The lawn in front of Molly's house. Molly is somebody's name. The lawn in front of Molly's house is 12 meter into 8 meter. Just star, no, it's representing multiply sign, okay? 12 meter into 8 meters. Whereas the lawn in front of Dolly's house is 15 meter into 5 meter. Okay, so let's write Molly's house. The lawn is, I'm just writing my statement. As I'm reading the question, I'm making my statement. Okay,
Ma'am,
Molly's.
ma'am, first we need to find the perimeter of each house, and it comes the answer.
Good. Very nice, Bache. The lawn in front of Molly's house. So bamboo fencing is built around the lawn. So you need to build a bamboo fencing. How much fencing is required? So you need to find the perimeter. So will you be doing the question? Now I will not do, you will do the question. Everyone will do the question independently. Okay?
okay,
Good.
ma'am.
Be careful about the units. Check the units whether they are same or not. Okay, tell me what is the perimeter of Molly's house? Everyone must have done this much. What is the perimeter of Molly's house?
Ma'am, it's 40 meters.
Molly's house, the perimeter. The lawn in front of Molly's house is 12 meter into 8 meters. Okay, bamboo fencing is to be built around the lawn. So what is the
Ma'am,
perimeter?
That means we
Ma'am,
need to add the the perimeter of Molly's and Dolly's house, or just we need to write them separately.
Yes, but separately you just tell me about Molly's house. How much is the perimeter of Molly's
40,
house?
40 square meters.
Perimeter.
Ma'am, it's 40 meters.
40?
Lawn of Molly house is equals to 12.8 meter.
No.
Ma'am, there
No,
are
lawn
did not
of
say
Molly's.
This is the dimension
Lawn of
of
front of Molly's house is equals to 12.8 meters. Again,
Huh.
whereas Dolly's house is equals to 15.5 meters.
yes.
Bamboo fencing
it's-
is
no,
built
no.
around the lawn. Means containing Molly's and Dolly's house lawn, the fencing of bamboo is built. How much fencing is required for both?
Hmm.
Am I right?
It's not point, it's multiply sign.
So
It's
in
multiply
what we have
sign.
to do that this is
Anji,
we have to find the
Anji.
area. Am I right? We have to
Ma'am,
find.
is Molly's house?
Teacher, we have to find perimeter or area.
Molly's, ma'am, Molly's and
Ma'am,
Dolly's
96.
house both are getting
Teacher.
40 only.
Teacher, we have to find area or
Molly's house.
perimeter.
Okay, as per your answer.
Teacher, we have to find area or perimeter.
Perimeter. Fencing, no? Fencing.
Perimeter means perimeter of rectangle is 2
2 into L plus
2 into L plus B.
Great.
So when we add 12.8 and 15.5.
Yes, ma'am, it's 40.
It's 40. Okay, now what is the perimeter of Dolly's house?
Ma'am, it's 240 because 2 into 15 plus 5, which is
Hmm.
equals to 2 into 20. That's 40.
Okay, very nice. Now what is the total fencing required?
80.
80. Very nice. You add up both.
Teacher, we have to do 4 into 40.
No, bache. You have to find the how much fencing is required for both. It's asking how much fencing is required for both. To cover both the houses with fencing, how much fencing is required? Okay. So you will add both the fencing part, both the perimeters. Okay.
Ma'am, you wrote 80 centimeters. It's 80 meters.
Okay. It's 80 meters. Okay, it's 80 meters. It's 80 meters. Okay. Okay. So done, everyone. Let's move on to next page. Okay. Okay. That's great. Hridesh is back. Hello, Hridesh is back.
Teacher, I didn't got the sum.
Which sum you didn't get?
Teacher, I didn't get the sum.
Which sum? Molly's and Dolly's question? You're talking about this question? This one? Which question are you talking about? Do you have the screen in front of you now? Children, do you have the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the screen, no? Hridesh, can you see the question? Hello? Hridesh, can you see the question? You will.
Ma'am, I also have a doubt in this question. Ma'am, you
Yes.
said that it's a sign between 12 meters and 8 meters. That's a multiplication sign.
Yes, that's
So,
multiple.
Ma'am, then it's 12 into 8 is 48 meters, right?
No, Vichey, no, it's, no, please don't take it that way. When we write the dimensions of something, no, we always write it like this. Don't take it multiply. It's 12 meter this side and 8 meter this side. But when we generally write the question dimensions in the statement, no, we generally write 12 multiplied by 8 dimensions like this.
Okay.
So you see, you must have seen whenever you go to buy cloth or something, or whenever somebody is measuring the dimensions of some table or something, they always do know it's 12 by 8. They say like this,
Yes,
12
ma'am.
by 8, yeah, 15 by 4, whatever. So it's generally, it's not multiplying, but it's not actually multiplying, but it's just giving you the dimensions. That is length of the rectangle with the breadth of rectangle. Okay, it's not actually multiplying. Okay, I should have given it to you in a other format. Actually, this was the same given in the question, so I gave you like this. But the sense should be taken as it's 12 meter by 8 meter. That means 12 meter is the length, 8 meter is the breadth. And here also 15 meter is the length and 5 meter is the breadth. Okay, instead of this, I should have changed this much length and this much breadth. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now moving to the other question.
Video is now working.
My video is not working?
Ma'am, my video is working, ma'am.
Okay, it's working. Okay, you can show me your notebook then.
Ma'am, as in last class, I lost my notebook. So, I
No,
wrote
no.
it in a paper. I'll show it, ma'am.
Oh, yes. You can show me the question that we just did.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is the first question.
Yes.
And this is the second one.
Okay, good. Good, Rishit. Very nice.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
So, carry on. Okay, now see the question number 5. Length of, read the question with me first. Length of rectangular field is 250 meter and width is 150 meters. You get now length is 250,
Yes,
width
ma'am.
is 150. So generally when we write, now see here, Switej, you were asking, no, in the previous question I had written 12 into 8. So if I have to write this thing in that form, I can write it like this, 250 into 150. This is just the general way of writing.
Okay, ma'am.
General, okay? Otherwise, there is no need. Okay? But since your class is small now, so maybe you have not got. Okay? So this is just a general way, but it means the same. Okay. So the length
I mean,
of
this question itself, there are 2 questions.
in this question, there are 2 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
One is to we need to find how much did Anuradha runs, and again we should find that how many times she should run to get 4 kilometers.
Yes. How many how many times she should run? How many rounds she should take? Yes. So the length and breadth are given. Anuradha runs around this field 3 times. Okay. How far did she run? So you have to find out how much is the total distance.
We need to find the
around.
perimeter and multiply it with 3.
So do it first. Find the perimeter. Quickly. First find the perimeter.
Ma'am, perimeter of the rectangular field is 800 meters.
It's 800 meters. Everyone got 800 meters. Oh, sorry. It's perimeter.
Teacher.
Perimeter of the rectangular round field
teacher.
is 800 meters.
Yes. Yes.
Teacher, if you multiply
Hmm.
215 into 150, it comes answer as 37,500.
Then we
Then
need to add it,
into
not to
3.
multiply.
Then when we do in
It's this. Everyone is getting 800 meters.
Yes, ma'am. I too got the same
Yes,
800
and
meters.
then you multiply it with 3. So this is the distance that she covered. That is 24.
teacher, I'm
Say.
I'm getting 400, teacher.
Where are you getting? See the perimeter.
We need to multiply that answer with 2.
See, first find the perimeter of the rectangular field. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. 250
Yeah,
is
yeah.
length.
I got
This is the
800.
breadth.
Now we have to do into 3.
Now you
8
will
3 is
multiply.
24.
Do
Add
it.
extra 2 zeros. It
Okay,
is
so this
it
is
is 2
the
kilometer,
distance that
400 meter.
Anuradha
So again we
ran.
have to do into when we multiply 1 into 3 times, the answer
Ma'am,
is
she
2.
runs totally 24,000 meters.
Teacher,
Sorry, ma'am. 2,000.
teacher, per round she is running to 2 per round she is running 24,000 kilometer, not 24,000. It's 2 kilometer for 400. Ma'am, we can see your presentation.
You cannot see the
Ma'am, your
presentation.
video is off.
1 second. Okay, now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
We can see.
Okay, now see, now to cover 4 kilometers, we will be converting 4 kilometer to meters first. 4 kilometers will be 4,000 meters. Because 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, is it? So 4 kilometers will be 4,000.
4,000 meters.
Yes. Now 4,000 meters. Now perimeter. Now see perimeter 4,000 meters and perimeter.
Ma'am, we need to subtract 4,000 meters. No, 4,000 meter minus 2,400.
Not minus, which is we want to find out how many rounds of this rectangular park will Anuradha take. So
we need to divide it by 800.
So this complete round is about 800 meters, right? So to cover 4,000 meters, how many rounds will she take of this field? So that is 4,000 divided by 800, is it? We can cancel 2 zeros. Now 8 5s is 40. That means she will run 5 times. That means she will take 5 rounds of this rectangular field.
Yes, ma'am. She need to take more 2 rounds.
Yes. Okay. So she has already taken 3 rounds. She needs to take 2 more rounds.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes. Who's this?
Teacher, the question is length of rectangular field is 200 meter and 150 meter width. So when we add both, the answer is 400.
Yes, the answer is no, the perimeter of the
around
field.
this field, teacher, Anuradha runs around this field.
Ma'am, I'm showing my paper.
Yes, good, Rishit, good work.
Thank you.
Teacher, am I right? Teacher, you're getting disconnected always, teacher.
Okay, now again, my video won't be visible. Okay.
Teacher, can you show that question back?
I'm showing. Okay, now ask. What is
Teacher, here Anuradha runs around the field 3 times. Means
Hmm.
800 into 3. The
Hmm.
answer is 2 kilometers 400.
Centimeters? Okay, but why we don't need to convert that to meter and centimeter?
The total is 2.400 kilometers.
See the total perimeter that first she took 3 rounds of the field, no? That means she covered 2,400 meters of the distance. Okay. Then
So teacher, now how far did she run? She ran 2 kilometers and 400 meters.
yes.
How many times she should run to complete 4 kilometers? What to do in that step?
What to do in that step is first convert 4 kilometers to 4,000 meters. Okay.
Okay, 4 kilometers is equals to 4,000.
4,000 meters. Then to find the how many rounds?
Okay, we have to divide.
So we have divided 4,000 by 800.
1 minute. I got 1 0, 1 0, 1 2 3. Teacher, it's
Yes.
teacher, it's 2.4 kilometer again.
Beta, please see this. I have done everything in front of you. See here, I have done 4,000. I have divided 4,000 by 800. Okay? 8,000 is the perimeter of this field.
We have to divide 4,000 by 8.
800.
Okay.
Okay, so we get 5 rounds. Okay.
So what we do? Okay, means it's 800 divided by 4,000. So in this, what we have to do? Simply cancel 2 zeros and cancel 2 zeros from 8. So 8 divided with 5. So the answer is 5 rounds.
Yes.
I got.
Okay, let's move on to say next question. Question number 6. Length of a rectangle is 3 times its breadth. See, read the question carefully. The length is given 3 times its breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. Find its length and width. Now, what will you do here? Here we are not given, neither we are given length nor we are given any breadth, but they have given us something about length and breadth. So what will you do? Please suggest something.
Ma'am, from that time when we completed 5th question, I was trying to do 6th one, but I'm unable to do it.
Okay. Sritej, can you suggest something? What can we do here?
Ma'am, the length of a rectangle is 3 times its breadth. So the perimeter is actually 40 centimeters. We have to find its length and width. Ma'am, I'm trying to find it out.
Ma'am, the first step which I did is like I divided 2 divided by 40, ma'am. Because and I got 20.
Okay, now see, look here. This question is, we will take a variable in this question. Okay, variable is something that we don't know. Okay,
yes,
the number which is unknown to us. We do that in
algebra.
Okay. So here it's given the length of a rectangle is 3 times its breadth. We are not, but we don't know what is breadth. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll take let the breadth be x. Okay, let
X.
this breadth. Yes, we'll just take it x, any variable a, b, c.
Ma'am, so length is equals to x into 3, which is x3.
Wait, 3x. Okay, so 3 times its breadth. So since the perimeter is given in centimeters, we will take our breadth to be in centimeters. So let the breadth be x centimeters. Okay, and length.
Ma'am, I got the breadth.
Yes, and what will be the length? Length will be 3 times of the breadth, 3x centimeters. Perimeter is already given to us. Perimeter is 40, which is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, is it? So that is 2 into length is 3x plus
3x plus x.
x. So 3x plus x is 4x.
4x.
Okay, so 4 into 4x into 2 is 2 into 4 is 8. So that becomes 8x. Perimeter is already given to us, which is 40. So from here,
Is the breadth 5?
Yes, ma'am. The breadth is 5 and
so
the length
to
is
find the
15.
value of x, yes. So x will be now 8 is multiplying with x this side. When it goes on the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes divide. So here you get 5. So value of x is 5. That means your breadth is 5 centimeters
Length is
and length is 3x, which is equal to 3 into 5,
3 into 5.
which is equal to 15 centimeters. Okay. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood? Sritej?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ritesh has already told me. Okay. So, shall we move on to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this. Okay. What happens to the area of a rectangle if its length is halved and breadth is doubled? Okay. What happens to the area of the rectangle? Now, what will happen? Area of the rectangle. You know, area. What is area? Area of a rectangle is length into the breadth. Is
Yes,
it? So, if it's saying if its length is halved and breadth is doubled.
ma'am. L by 2 into
Yes.
B.
So length becomes L by 2 and breadth becomes 2 into breadth. Breadth will be doubled. Is it? It will become like this.
Yes.
So I can cancel 2 and 2 here. So I'm left with L and only B, which was the original area. So that means does anything happens to the area of rectangle?
Yes, ma'am. It changes.
No, nothing changed. If the length was half and the breadth was doubled. So nothing happened. It remained L into B only. No? Okay, you understood this?
Ma'am, can you explain?
See. Now, it's
Teacher, today I might get disconnected, teacher.
why?
A little bit internet unstable is there.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll write in complete statement form. Okay, now see area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Is it?
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Length into breadth. Now, now according to the question, it's saying length is half. Okay, so length is half means length multiplied by half, which becomes L by 2. Okay, and according to the question, it's saying the breadth is doubled. So breadth is B. So when the breadth is doubled means I have to multiply it with 2. So I get 2B. Okay. Now what happens to the area with this? With these new parameters, area of a rectangle will become L by 2 into breadth. Is it? Have you understood till here?
Yes,
Everyone?
ma'am. Ma'am, now we need to cancel the 2.
So 2 and 2 can be cancelled because one is in the numerator, other one is in the denominator. So you can cancel them. So we are only left with L here
L and B.
here. So this was the area. So this was the area with the new parameters, with the new dimensions. Okay, and this was the area with the original
Ma'am,
Sir?
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, today I think my connection is also unstable. Disrupting. Okay. So now can you see what is this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this, Ritesh? What are you showing, Ritesh?
Ma'am?
What are you showing me? What is that?
Ma'am? Oh, ma'am, I'm just holding my notebook.
Okay, you were holding. Okay. So you have understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, when we see the question, ma'am, it's look like so hard, but when we do it, it's so simple.
it's so simple. It is simple. Because when you understand the things, no, you find things easy. It's only till you don't, you have not done the work, you find it difficult. But things are not difficult actually. It's
Yes,
only
ma'am.
for practice. If you do practice, everything is easy for you. Okay, now see this next question. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are 80 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively? Can you do this question, the same tile question, number of tiles?
Ma'am, easy, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Do it. Hriday, you show me your notebook. You have not shown me the notebook.
Yes, ma'am, I'm showing.
And keep your video on. Why your video is off?
It is sometimes like internet. I'm not sitting near the internet, that's why.
But show me, put on your video and show me the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
I can't see Adrit also. Adrit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Don't put off your video. Keep it on.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Okay, but I could not see you. Okay, now I'm able to see. Okay, show me your notebook, Adrit. Are you doing? Yes, good. Good. Carry on. Do the fourth question. It's written question number 8, but do that.
Ma'am, 40 tiles.
40 tiles. Everyone got the same?
Ma'am, I got the answers.
Okay. So it's saying the tiles whose length and breadth are, okay, so the area of tile is coming to be 10 into 6, that is 60 centimeters square.
60 centimeter. And
And
the rectangular region is 80 into 30, which is 2,400.
400, yes. And when you divide this,
When we divide 2,400 by 60, we get the answer as 40. 40
Good.
tiles.
40 tiles. Great.
And just like the before sum.
Yes, just like the previous one. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Great. I'll give you 2 more questions now. No, you will
Teacher,
write
can you
it.
show that last page?
Last page, yes.
Yeah. I want to, teacher, can you explain me the third and fourth sum, please? I'm not able to find
This
how to
one.
do it.
What happens to the area of rectangle if its length and length is
Teacher, what happens to the area of rectangle if its length is
length
half?
is
Then
halved. Okay. The length
okay.
is made half. Okay.
Oh,
And
means like we have increased length by half and breadth by double.
your volume.
No, ma'am. We should decrease the length and increase the breadth.
Teacher, if the length is half means decrease. Okay, if it's the length is for example,
If
it's
it's
15,
halved, we need to
length
like
is
divide
50
it by 2.
and it is decreased half means it's 25, and if the breadth is 25 and doubled means it's 50.
Yes, in the same way.
Then after that same, if we do the same, no change in area.
No, say like if we need to find the half of the length, we need to divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. So L by 2, and we need to make the breadth double. So B into 2. So when we like to find the area, we need to multiply
Breadth double
A and
means
B.
2b and L by 2.
Yeah. So
We have to
like
multiply
to
that
find
both.
yeah, we need to multiply,
And when we
while
multiply,
we need to cancel the 2's.
hello. Hello. Hello, children. Hello. 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 The internet connection is unstable. I don't know why. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yeah.
Hriday, you were saying the
Teacher, so I understood Rishit explained me that after we multiply L by 2 again, multiply 2b, the area will not have a change. In the same, the eighth question tells us how many tiles whose length and breadth are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively
yes.
will be needed to fit a rectangular region whose length is 80 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively.
Yes.
So can you explain me this question, ma'am?
Yes. So here, see, first you will see the dimensions of the tile are given. No, one small tile is 10 centimeter and 6 centimeters. Okay, length, breadth. So we will find the area of tile. So that will be length into breadth. So that will be 10 into 6, which will be 60 centimeters. Oh, sorry. Yes, it's 60 centimeters square. Got it, Hridesh? Okay. Then you can find the area of the rectangular region. Okay. So area of the rectangular region will be, dimensions are 80 centimeters and 30 centimeters. So length into breadth will be 80 into 30, which is equal to 8 3s is 24, and you get 2 zeros along with it. Okay. So 2400 centimeters square. Got this much? This much you understood? Okay. Now to find the number of tiles.
Which
Yes.
I solved.
Teacher, I didn't, teacher.
What happened?
Teacher, 1 minute. The length and breadth means a length of rectangular tile is 10 centimeter and like length is 10 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter. So we did 10 to 6, which is 60.
Okay. Yes, yes, right.
So
Yes.
again we read a rectangular region is there, whose
Yes.
length is 80 centimeter and 30. Then
Yes.
again we do 80 into 30, which is you have written as 2400, which is 2400.
Yes.
Again we have to divide it with 60.
Yes. Okay.
Then it's 240 tiles.
The 2400 divided by 60 to find the
60.
number of tiles.
Okay, a point.
One,
We got
one
0 and point. And
yes.
6 divided by 240.
So
6 divided by 240.
and we get
6 threes. Is it 6 threes is 24 only, no?
You can divide and see. 240 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24 and you have a 0.
Yeah, 6 3s are 20.
Okay. Understood now, Ridesh?
It's 30, teacher.
No, bache. How come you're getting 30? See, just simply divide and see. 240. You're left with 240 this side and you have 6 in the denominator. 6 4s is 24. Is that? So you have 0
Yeah.
and 0 here. So you get 1 0 here. You got 40.
Yeah, ma'am. It was mistake by me.
You understood now? Show me your
Yes, ma'am.
show me your notebook. Where have you done the work? Ridesh, show me, bache.
Teacher. Actually, I did roughly. I didn't write any states.
Wherever you are doing, you show me.
I just did a rough work in a paper.
So that's the rough work, but where have you done the statement part? Where have you written the statement part?
Statement I didn't do, teacher. Statement I didn't do. For statement, I will prepare another proper book. I asked my parents to bring a book from outside today only.
Okay. So in the next class, I want to see these questions. Okay. In the next class.
Teacher, where you will post these questions?
You can see in the classroom here. You can see the recorded. You can see the recorded video, no? Okay?
Yeah.
So you can see from there. Okay. In the next class, I want to see all these questions in your notebook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll give you one question just for practice now. Take another question. Okay. I'm reading the questions. We're just left with few minutes. Quickly we'll do one question. Happened. Who is this? Who is this? Singing a song. Now here I'm just making a figure. I'm very poor at drawing. So
no problem. The drawing is nice.
So see, these are 3 squares which are joined together. Each side, this is one square, okay, whose sides are 4 centimeter. This is another square whose each side is 10 centimeter. This is another square whose sides are 3 centimeters. You have to find the perimeter of this complete figure. Can you do that? We are just left with 3 minutes and quickly do this sum and tell me the answer. Perimeter. You need to find the perimeter.
Ma'am, it's 68 centimeter.
68
centimeter.
Centimeters. Everybody getting the same? Tell me. These are all squares. Okay. So for first square, what will you get? Let everyone find the answer. Let everyone find.
Ma'am, I got the answer 76 centimeters.
76. Why? How come such variation in answer?
I got 125 meters.
Oh, all children are getting different answers.
Teacher, because you have given square. Teacher, you have given square.
So
Ma'am, is it 61?
I don't know. I'll check.
Is it
Teacher,
67?
first-
each square is like 4, 10, 3. So first square is 4. So
Ah.
4 fours are 16.
No,
Again
ma'am.
10
Ma'am, but
tens
the
are
one
100. Again 3 threes are 9. So when we add together everything, it's 125 meters.
no,
Okay.
ma'am, but in 4 centimeter, that square, that side is sharing. The 10 centimeter
ma'am, I got
square and
61.
that
Ma'am, I got
4
61.
centimeter square figure,
Yes,
one side is
yes.
sharing, so
You
that's why
need-
it's 61 centimeters.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
you
So
need to
4
find-
and 3 centimeter square, we need to multiply it with 3, not to 4.
Teacher, then we
And
can do like
10
10
centimeter
fours
one,
are
we need to
40,
multiply it
40.
with
Wait. Listen here. We need to find the perimeter of this figure. Now see, when you find when you do the perimeter of this figure, your this side, your this part will be gone. This part is not in the picture. This part is not in the picture. Okay, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are finding, so you have this side 4 centimeter, this side 4, this 4, this 10, this 3, then you have this 3, then you have this 3, then you have this much complete was 10. So out of 10, when you subtract 3 this much, you are left with 10 minus 3. You have just 7 here.
Teacher, 1 minute. So 10, in middle part it's 10 means up also you should give 10.
Yes,
And
And
why
in
7 there,
this
teacher?
program,
And why 7 there?
7 because this much part, this dotted part is covered inside, no?
Yeah.
But this part is not coming in the perimeter.
Ma'am, you wrote that beside the 4 centimeter square, you wrote it as 7, but it's 6.
Ma'am, I got it 55 centimeters.
Oh yes, this is 6. This is 6. This is not 7 because
Rupees 338 received
this
on
is 6. Because 10 minus 4 is 6. You understood this now? Now calculate the perimeter. Calculate the perimeter. How much is the perimeter now?
Teacher, 1 minute. I have a doubt.
Hmm.
That first I've given 4, 10, 3. Okay, I consider that. So 4 upside is 4 and side is also 4. North part is also 4.
Hmm. You note down this figure in your notebooks.
So
You
teacher,
draw this
after
figure
that,
in your notebook.
after that again 10 is that down. The up part we go, again we have to keep that 10. Again 3 is there. Then 3, side
here.
also 3, up also 3.
See,
So
I'm
what
counting.
about that side, teacher? You have given that 7 and 6. How did you, from where did it come?
See, this complete square was 1 square, is it? This square whose sides were all 10 centimeters. So this side was 10 centimeter, but when I subtracted 4 centimeter, this much, this part I
It
have
is 10
subtracted.
minus 4 you did. Why 10 minus 4?
4 because the dimensions of this square, this square is 4.
Okay, 10 minus 4 and 10 minus 3. So you
Yes.
added. Okay, I
Yes.
understood.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have
So
a
we have to
doubt.
add total. 10 plus 3, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
Who has a
24,
doubt?
25,
Somebody is asking for the doubt.
26, 27,
Haan,
28,
Hitesh,
Ma'am, I'm
29,
seeing the
calculate in
31.
your mind. Yes, somebody is asking a doubt.
Ma'am, like just beside 10, 7 is there on its right side, and the left side of 10, 6 is there. Shouldn't they both be 7
Is it
or should they
54,
both be
teacher?
6?
Wait. Let's
Teachers,
listen
because
to
1
Hitesh.
is 4 and 1 is 3. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and 10 minus 3 is 7.
Okay.
See, so perimeter, I'm starting the perimeter counting from here. Okay, I'll begin with this 4. Then I have this 4. Then I have this 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, then I have 10, 3, 3. Okay, 10 plus 3 plus 3. Then I have yes, 10, 3, 3. Then I have this 3, one more 3 here. Then I have 7, 10, and 6. Then I have 7, 10, and 6. These were all the dimensions that I got. I started from here 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then I have 10 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Got it? Then I have 7 plus 10 plus 6. Understood?
54.
Yes, ma'am.
So just add them all. Give me the answer.
54 centimeters.
How much?
54.
Ma'am, 54 centimeter.
54. Everyone getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me also check.
Teacher,
Yes, what happened?
teacher, I have to go outside.
Why? Just wait a minute. The class is almost getting over.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 54.
Teacher, actually they kept 45 minutes only, duration.
It's okay.
5:50 to 6:45
Yes, I know.
is the
Okay.
class timing
So
section.
everyone got the same answer, 54 centimeters?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher, I told you starting
ma'am.
only.
Okay, very good.
Sritej told it's first 51, teacher. But
Okay.
when I calculated, it came 54, so I told you 54.
Okay, very
Ma'am?
nice. That's good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why
Teacher,
can't
so
we
can
take
I-
like 4 into 3 and 3 into 3 with that all 4
Yes, you can
centimeters?
do that. Yes,
But
you
if-
can do that.
And when we took that, ma'am, 10 centimeter, we got it as like 40. So when I add it, I'm getting 61.
Add it correctly, beta. Do your calculations again. You can note down the figure. Do your calculations again.
Teacher, I have done.
Let Ritish also do, no?
Teacher, I have done. It's 54 centimeters.
Okay, that's nice. But let others also do.
Now, see, ma'am, this 4 centimeter square that I got 12 centimeter. And this 3 centimeter one, I got 9 centimeter. And 10 centimeter one, I got it as 40 centimeter. So, like when I add it, ma'am, 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 carry and 1. 4 plus 2 is 6.
Check your calculations again, Rishit. Check your calculations again. The answer is coming 54 centimeters. Okay.
Okay.
Do it nicely. Do it nicely after the class. Okay, I'm
Okay,
giving you the answer 54 centimeter. You can make this figure in front of you. You can work out later again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The answer is 54. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you so much.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am. Happy
Wish you all-
Diwali, ma'am.
Happy
Thank you.
Diwali.